आम्ही यंग इंडियन्स गोवा चॅप्टराचे येयल्ले आसा हांगा and we have tied up with RD Club school children over here, and we have come for a cleanliness drive in association with Mayfair Resort and their staff over here, and many locals have also joined us to clean, and foreign tourists also have joined us in cleaning this beach. This is a beautiful Morjim beach, and with the CII initiative, which is the CII Young Indians, we have this Swachh Bharat Abhiyan going on to clean, create awareness of cleanliness, and we have chosen our beautiful beaches of Goa to do cleaning up. And as you can see, there are almost 50 to 60 students here along with all the tourists who have helped us clean. We have collected almost 70 to 80 garbage, big bags full of garbage over here. And I would only suggest that everyone should clean the beaches, keep their surroundings clean. And if we inculcate this to our children also, they will take it forward and keep the area clean. I would like to thank RD Club School and the Mayfair Resort for giving us, helping us to get this drive on and building Bharat, clean Bharat, Swachh Bharat. Thank you.